Okay, so today I'm here to teach you how to make fries out of a potato. So here I have a cooked potato, I have a fryer to fry the potatoes, and I have this towel to put on the plate to make sure the plate doesn't get greasy when you put the fries down. So one of the main problems I've heard of is the potatoes turning out soggy or bland because of lack of seasoning or not being fried like enough or crispy enough. And as a kid, like when you got McDonald's, the Happy Meals, and how there's always like spills, fries spilled in the bottom of the box. Yeah, that like made my day, and there's a lot of those. And so like the three most important parts is the way you cut the potato, the way you season the potato beforehand, and the way you fry it. So for the cut of the potato, you have the round potato that you usually peel. So what you do is you cut it lengthwise 3 different times, and you flip it 90 degrees this way, and then cut it 3 times that way as well. So it makes around 16 fries or something like that. And the seasoning is, I usually put salt and pepper on everything as usual, but another important thing is I usually put like taco seasoning on them, which sounds really nasty, but it's pretty good. I also put like garlic powder on things, but I didn't bring that because that would have been a lot harder to keep track of. The third part is the crisp in the fry. So here I have a deep fat fryer. It's called that because it takes fat or vegetable oil and heats it up to fry things. And so you have the lid to keep it hot, and that is hot. Ow. Then you have a basket, and the basket holds the fries while it drops it in the oil so that you don't have just fries going everywhere. So you take your potato slices, drop it in the basket, and then you drop the fries into the oil. So what it does is it cooks, and it takes a long time to do that. And then you take it back up. It's important to let all the oil get off, and just let it cool there for a second. And what you do is you take like a paper towel or something. Say I have a unicorn towel. Pretty fascinating. You set that on the plate, and then you take the fries, and it's important for this so that the fries don't come up soggy and something, you actually fry it again. So what it does is, while the first fry is usually used to cook the potatoes, the second fry actually crisps the outside more, and so you have a more solid fry instead of just like a really wet and like soggy fry that's kind of really limp. And since we're not going to spend all day doing that, what I do next is I take the basket, and careful not to get grease all over your table or counter or something. That shouldn't have happened. You put the potatoes on the plate, and you cover them and push down lightly on them. So actually the towel soaks up some of the grease so that the next seasoning that you put on it actually stays. So it's important to actually season the potatoes before they go into the fryer and season them after, and mainly do salt because the salt sticks on it and it has such a stronger flavor. And so today I taught you how to make fries with 3 basic simple steps, which is how to cut the potato into the fry shapes, how to season them in some of the usual seasonings, and how to fry it and how many times to fry it. So thank you.